Write in your notebook. To draw a circle, click on this icon. Then, click on the point we want, the center of the circle. The next step is to enter the value of the radius of the circle. The next step is to press the Enter key. The game for this lesson and the next one is combined into a single level, so just complete the exercise for this lesson and upload it to the website. One note, so far, you've learned a few commands, and you'll learn more later. While most commonly used commands do have icons in the AutoCAD workspace that you can click on, using the keyboard speeds things up. Personally, when I use keys on the left side, like Z for zoom, I prefer pressing the spacebar instead of Enter, because it's easier. But when I use commands on the right side, like L for line, I find Enter more convenient than the spacebar. Of course, everyone can choose whatever method feels more comfortable. I just wanted to share my own experience with you.